Go.
These are our cockatiels. They range in ages from 4 to 16 weeks at this time. We have a variety of styles, which go from the pied pearl, they're in the middle, down to Latinos and normals and white face. They are all been hand-fed, hand-tamed. They are extremely sweet. They love attention. They are easily handled. Oh. This little boy thinks that he's the king of the roost now, since our other little male was bought last week. So he likes to do whatever he wants to do.
Why don't you show me your Latinos?
Okay. Our Latinos are over here because they are still being hand-fed 3 to 4 times a day. I will bring one over. This here is one of the baby Latinos. And until after their first molt, we can't even give you a guess as to what the sex would be. But it doesn't matter because they are all super, super sweet. And he's doing that little head bop because he thinks he needs to eat again. Again, they all range in age from 4 to 16 weeks right now. The 4 on the stand are ready to go. They could be placed into a home today if you'd like.
So these are all cockatiels. Age range from
4 to 16 weeks.
males and females, different kinds.
Pearl pied, normal, Latino, and white face.
Okay, and there we go.